guys, it's me. It's me again, Diane. But this time we're gonna see my video where the king whales are. And we're gonna see both of our birds in random areas. Okay, comment below if you think this is a cool video today. But anyways, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Almost see it? Not actually too close. Do you see them drink? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are they doing? Zoom in. So how do birds eat? This zoom in camera will show their beak muscles. Did you see it? They don't peck. They usually open their beak slightly, which I'm showing. They don't peck. So that's how zoomed in looks like when you zoom in closely to a creature. They don't peck at random stuff. They eat it. They just do it quickly. Would you eat the black ones? I guess they would if they wanted. Now do you see? You learn birds don't just peck. They move their head. They grab a food, move their head quickly, and swallow it. Okay, don't prove it. Anyway, just zoom out. So do you see them? I just zoomed in a little bit because I want to. It's just at 1x. Do you hear them? I can't stretch it too high, so I have to show you very low. Or I have to zoom in, which I could. I'm gonna force it to go. But anyway, they're very cute today. Right? Am I correct? Am I correct? Because they're so cute. They're even grooming each other. Okay. So that's just my mom. We talk Urdu, but you think it's Japanese, but it's not. I understand. But anyways, look at these guys. They're so cute. They're so cute looking today. What are they doing today? I just need to show them. Wow. Look at you. True cuteness. They're so cute. They even saw that yawning one. That was so cute. But these king whales, that's how they eat. They actually call scratching itching because if you're itchy and you're scratching, it means itching. Because, okay, they're starting to eat their food. They usually chew their food, I think. But these guys, oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute today. Can you please stop it? Can you please be so cute? They're almost asleep today. Do you hear them? That's our alarm. That's his alarm call. Let's see. Is there any predator? I'm gonna kick them hard. Oh, there's nothing. A blame alarm call? That's actually blame. That's actually blaming. It's literally they're almost asleep. Literally that one is almost asleep. Oh, that's so cute. Anyways, he's trying to peck the screen today. Or maybe not. He's not interested today. He's not interested. Unlike the first video. Huh? We'll zoom into that area. Even more. Oh. It's nothing. But how about the female? We'll zoom in a little bit out. Okay, that's one. Oh my god, did you even saw them roaming? Okay, then one broom. One broom. One broom. I guess that's a no in their bird language. Do you see? He's almost asleep. I mean, she. What are you doing, sleep? Sorry for waking you up. It's a cute lady. Girl. Oh my god, what? Oh, that was cool and cute. Right? Am I correct? Who made that sound? Make it again. What are they doing? I know that one. Sleep. He's asleep right now. Okay, can you... What was... Oh, okay, he just started to yawn. Can you stop making these cute sounds anyways? Alarm call! Where's the predator? Oh. Okay. Stop looking back at me. Okay. Look at guys. Look. He's literally with the king quails. What a brave little guy. Wanna go down? Go down? Do you know why? King quails are herbivores, not carnivores. They're usually a type of quail, not a chicken, which are omnivores. That's a fancy word for predator. And also herbivore, which a very fancy word for grass eaters. Literally, can you stop it? I literally said just stop it. And they're literally purring. They're so cute. I'm on the foreground right now. What did he just do? What are you gonna do? Complain? What are you trying to do? That's a famous pose. Oh my god, he just got to the foreground again. My battery will run out. Daddy, because it's boring. Say cheese. Oh, they don't understand me. That's why. But they're literally so cute. They're all facing at the camera. It's cool they're facing at the camera. And it's Shyburn! But hope that countdown doesn't appear because that's so annoying. I'm gonna zoom into this cute guy. Zoom in. 1. When he is eating. What are you doing? What is that? That lookout mode because they're prey animals. Do you see it? They're making sounds. Whisper. You see it? Wow. That's how king koalas stand still. They're scared. Didn't believe that, but... Oh, stop it! Stop! What are you gonna do? He's gonna do that famous move. Don't fight the female. I'm gonna use my tail release. He's gonna attack the female. Alert! He's gonna attack the female. Oh my god. What are you gonna do today? Nothing is happening to the female. The female. Or I'm beating you. I'm just tricking him. Oh my god. You have to control your anger. And finally, this is the final last minute of the video. So, after wow, look at them. They're like huddled. They're looking out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, friends.